Hi kids, how are you? Today we are going to learn numbers 1 to 15. Okay, let's introduce some color bottles. These are all the color bottles. Okay, cream color, black color, orange color, sky blue color, blue color, light green color, green color, brown color, red color, yellow color. Okay, let's draw the numbers 1 to 15. Okay, we are going to learn the 1 to 15 numbers. Okay, let's start the drawing. Green color, 1, only 1. Blue color, 2, TWO, 2. Red color, 3, THREE, 3. Brown color, 4, FOUR, 4. Orange color, 5, FIVE, 5. Yellow color, 6, SIX, 6. Orange color, 7, SEVEN, 7. Sky blue color, 8, EIGHT, 8. Blue color, NINE, 9, NINE, 9. Black color, 10, TEN, 10. Light green color, 11, ELEVEN, 11. Brown color, 12. Orange color, 13. Yellow color 14. Cream color 15. Cream color 15. Let's learn the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, bye.